Now, these are the little bobbers. How do we make the bobbers? We take 2 colors. We need white fondant. Take a big piece of this, roll it into a ball. Just kind of set that down. Even that wasn't too much of a ball, so let me just roll it a little bit more. Like that, voila. Take my red fondant. Kind of knead this up a little bit. This looks like it was drying out a little bit. Must not have had it covered all the way. Roll this into a ball. It needs to be about the same size. So this is a little small. I need to add a little bit more red. Okay, they're pretty close in size. Now just take anything you have around and cut each of these in half. Now take 2 halves and pop them together. And these are sticking, so I don't even need any water or anything in there. If they weren't sticking together, then just put a little bit of water in between the 2 colors. And then just kind of roll it, again, very lightly back into a kind of a ball shape. And then just pick whichever side looks the best. So there's one, then you can make your other one over here. Okay, so you've got these, and these are things you could do ahead of time. Like these I've done ahead of time. Then take a little bit more red, roll it into a ball, and put it down here and roll it into more of a cord shape. And then just take anything you have and cut off a couple of spots, and these for the top of the bob. So just push that right on. Again, if it sticks, you don't need anything to attach it. If it doesn't, then all you have to do is just take a tiny bit of water. It's a little bit of graham cracker in there. That's okay. All right, and sometimes to pick these up, I like to use my handy dandy spatula here. Okay, so I've got that. I've got my hooks. I've got my little fly. And this is a sugar craft gun or clay gun that you've seen before, and this is one you just squeeze. This has some ivory colored fondant, and this is going to be for the fishing line. Okay, so I've got all my parts here. This is also a bag of green buttercream that I'm going to make a little bit of greenery on the board, and I think we're ready to go ahead and decorate this. Flip this around. Got graham crackers everywhere here, and kind of look at it and see, okay, I've got a big area here I need to put something in, and I need a couple things maybe down here. So let me take a couple of these little bobs, and sometimes what you have to do is put some more buttercream down, kind of clear the way where the graham crackers are, and pop maybe 2 there, like that. And we'll put at least 1 up here. I don't usually like to do 4 of anything. It's, you know, odd numbers look better. So 2 down there and 1 up there is good. So we'll save this one for some other cake.